Hello children, I hope all of you are keeping up well. So today in this chapter we will learn about control blocks. Okay, some blocks are there in the control category in the programming palette or in the blocks palette. So this control blocks under the control category, it allows us to perform various actions such as repeating the execution of certain set of blocks and check for the conditions before running or execution of a program. So here today we will learn about the blocks that repeat the instruction. There are mainly two blocks. One is Forable Block and the other one is Repeat Block. First we will understand the Forable Block. Then we will move forwards to Repeat Block. So the Forable Block, it runs the block inside it over and over again. That means again and again the Forable Block, it runs, it executes. So now let us try the Forable Block. First of all, we will drag the Forable Block, okay, from the blocks palette to the script area. So let's go to control blocks here, control category. Since Forable Block is a control block, so we will go to control block. Here you can see Forable, right? So just drag it over here to the script area. Okay, done. So we have dragged it from the blocks palette to script area. You can see this Forable Block is a C-shaped block. Okay, A, B, C. C for cat. So how does it looks? It looks like C. Okay, that is why this Forable Block is called C-shaped block. That means it can contain blocks within this. Inside here, you can drag and you can put other blocks also, and it will execute. Then we will drag and drop the move block from the motion category inside the Forable Block. Okay, now here we are going to the motion category here, and we will drag here this block, move 10 steps inside it. Done. Then we will take another one, turn 15 degrees inside it. Okay, so Forable Blocks can contain blocks within it. Under the Forable Block, you have inserted two blocks. One is move and the one is turn. Okay, so first we have dragged and dropped the move block inside the Forable Block, and then we have dragged and dropped the turn block, that is turn clockwise 15 degrees inside the Forable Block, and it is placed below the move block. And now we are going to click on the block stack. Just notice, okay? Just notice now, observe very carefully how the sprite repeats the movement and turning actions. So just notice once we click over here. Okay. See how it is moving. Okay, so this is the function of Forable Block, and this Forable Block is a control block. Now to stop this script from running, what we have to do, we have to click the stop button on the top of the page. Okay, the red flag, we have to keep on the red sign, red stop sign. Then only it will stop, otherwise no. It will keep on rotating and rotating on the stage. So this is the function of Forable Block. So now we are going to click on the red sign, red stop sign, to stop this execution. So now it has stopped. Okay, now let us understand Repeat Block. This Repeat Block, this runs the blocks inside it in a specified number of times or for a certain number of times. So now let us see how this Repeat Block works. First of all, we'll go to the control block, since this block is also called control block and it is under the control category. Okay, so we will take this repeat. We will drag over here to the script area. Then we will go to motion block. Let us take change y by 10. Okay. Then we will go to control block again and we will imply a new control block, that is wait. So this wait, okay, this wait block is also control block. This block, it makes the script wait for certain time, okay, waiting for a certain time, and you can change that timing, you can modify it. Here by default it is 1 second. So it will wait for 1 second and then it will continue with the next block. Sometimes we should use wait block. Why? Because the movements occur so fast that they cannot be properly noticed. So in certain times, in certain point of time, there is necessity that we should imply wait block also. So this wait block is also important. It is also a control block so that it can wait for a time being and again it can start. Then again we will go to motion block. Here we will take change y. Now here let us take let us change the value over here, or we can also change the sign. Let us take minus. Okay, so we have taken the next value, change y minus 10. The upper one is positive and the below one is minus 10. Okay, you can take other value also, no problem. Again we will go to control block. We will insert, we will drag wait block. Okay, so this is our script for repeat command or repeat block. So it will repeat for 10 times. It will change the y. Okay, it will change the value of y by 10. Then it will wait for 1 second. Again it will change the value of y by negative 10, that is minus 10, and by waiting for 1 second. Then it will keep on continuously repeating. Okay, so now just observe properly. When we will click on this block stack, the sprite will go up and down. Okay, so here we go. Let us click on the green flag. See, so it is going up and down. Notice carefully once again. See, it's going up and down. But in the meantime, it is waiting also. But it is continuously repeating. So this is the action when you use repeat block. So at certain point of time, when it has completed 10 rounds, since the repeat was for 10 times, right? So once it will stop after 10, once it is done with 10, then it will stop automatically because the number here was 10. So for 10 times, it will repeat the actions and then after completing 10, it will stop. And forever was like until and unless you click on red stop sign, it will not stop. So to stop the script from running, in case of Forable Block, you need to click on the stop button. Then only it will stop. So here we have studied about all the control blocks, that is Forable and repeat along with wait.